GMAT challenge number 20. Fable owns exactly 140 books, and each book is either paperback fiction, paperback nonfiction, or hardcover nonfiction. If he owns 20 more paperback nonfiction books than hardcover nonfiction books, and twice as many paperback fiction books as paperback nonfiction books, how many hardcover nonfiction books does Fable own? Yeah, very complicated. So I would say the best way to do this is probably using letters, X, Y, Z, algebraic way. In order to identify my letters, I'm going to avoid using X, Y, Z because I don't know what they are, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use PF to represent paperback fiction, and then PN to represent paperback nonfiction, and then HN to represent hardcover nonfiction. Since the total is 140, so I add them up, it's 140. So that's from the first sentence, Fable owns exactly 140 books. And then, next sentence says, 20 more paperback nonfiction books than hardcover nonfiction books. So translate that into equations. Paperback nonfiction, you have 20 more than hardcover nonfiction. So it's equal to hardcover HN nonfiction plus 20. That's the second equation. And then twice as many paperback fiction books as paperback nonfiction. So translate that into equations. Paperback fiction is twice as many as paperback nonfiction. So PF is 2 times PN. Now we have these three equations with three unknowns. You can definitely solve for them. So here is the trick. You should read the question, especially the last part. Find out which variable the question is actually asking you. So in this case, how many hardcover nonfiction books does Fable own? So the question is asking you, HN is equal to what value? That means when you solve this system of linear equations, you should focus on HN. Eliminate the other two variables, PF and PN. Fortunately, we have two expressions for PF and PN. So all you need to do is just replace the first equation with the proper expressions. So let's rewrite this first equation. PF, according to the third equation, is 2PN plus PN. Replace PN with the second equation, HN plus 20, and then plus HN equals 140. And now we still have two variables. Can we eliminate PN? Of course we can. So if you look at the second equation, you could replace PN with HN plus 20. And then plus, here's still HN plus 20 plus HN equals 140. And now you just have to get rid of grouping symbols and combine like terms. 2HN plus 40 plus HN plus 20 plus HN is 140. Combine all the HN, 2HN plus HN plus HN, that's 4HN, plus 40 plus 20, that's 60, equals 140. Subtract 60 from both sides, so you get 4HN on the left, 80 on the right. Divide both sides by 4, we obtain HN is 20. So the answer is B, 20. He owns 20 hardcover nonfiction books. Alright? So questions like this, it's all about translation. Once you have the equations, all you need to do is just solve. If you're not good at solving equations, another way to do it is plug in the answer choices. And you can find the answer as well through that way. Alright, that's it for today's challenge. I will see you next time. Bye bye.